Hi everybody, my name is Brian. I'm with Granite State Epoxy. Welcome back to RCC Classics. Our customer called us because he needed a floor to be replaced. We had to come in, grind up the existing floor that was put down, remove everything back down to concrete, assess the concrete, and then put down a whole new flooring system that would meet his expectations. We ended up using Crown Polymers 814 urethane cement. We couldn't be happier with the results that we see today. This floor will meet the demands that are required with all of these cars sitting on top of it.
My floor has recently been completed by Brian. Had two other previous companies in here that couldn't fix my problem. I hired Brian, they come in, he evaluated it, he fixed it, and I'll tell you, I haven't had any problems since. He's done an excellent job. That floor is just unbelievable. If you're gonna have your floor done, I highly recommend Granite State Epoxy for any of your needs because you'll only have to call them once.
So if you're looking for an upgrade to your existing epoxy floor, or you need an epoxy floor to meet your unique demands, give us a call at Granite State Epoxy today.